The Karbi Students Association had on Tuesday evening held a torchlight rally in protest against Subclause 2.3 of the recently signed peace accord. They had vehemently demanded for the scrapping of the clause. Here is a report. The protest rally was held at Jirikindeng under Amreng constituency. The KSA had expressed their strong disappointment over the clause which gives the non-tribal people the right to contest in the council elections from 10 constituencies. They had urged the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council not to implement the clause and scrap it at the earliest. The protest was led by KSA Hamran District Committee President Ram Singh Togbi, Jirikindeng Branch President Bimol Ingling and Secretary Ren Singh Ingling. The leaders had stated that Clause 2.3 is a threat to the principles on Sikh schedule and they will continue their democratic protest until it is removed from the accord. They also expressed their shock over the non-inclusion of clauses for implementation of Article 244A in the accord. Condemning the ruling party, KSA had said that they have the democratic right to protest peacefully and the law and order body cannot stop anyone from protesting in a democratic way. They also say that it is a failure of the ruling party that Article 244A has not been included in the accord.
If government of Assam and the central government have not listened whatever we have demand, because whatever we have demand are very genuine. If the government of Assam does not scrap or the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council did not didn't take back the step, then our fight will be continue.
Jirikindeng Karbi Central আখাৰ পৰা যেটো জোৰ সমদল আজি ওলাইছে কাৰণটো হৈছে জুৱা সেপ্টেম্বৰ 4 তাৰিখে 6 যেটো মিলিটেন্টছ লগত যেটো অসম চৰকাৰ আৰু কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰৰ লগত যেটো শান্তি যেটো চুক্তি স্বাক্ষৰ কৰিছিলে এটো আমি যেটো ওয়েলকাম কৰিছো আমি আদৰি জনাইছো কিন্তু ক্লজ 2.3 তাত লিখা তাত হেৰি 10 সিট যেটো ওপেন ফৰ অল তাত লিখা আছিল এটো আমি কোনো পয়ধে কোনো কাৰণতে কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থাৰ পৰা আমি মানি লব নোৱাৰো আৰু অনাগত দিনত আমি কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থাৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াতকে আমি কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থাৰ তীব্ৰতাৰে জংগী আন্দোলন কৰিবলৈ বাধ্য হ'ম যদি এটো ক্লাস 2.3 যদি স্ক্ৰেপ নকৰে বাতিল নকৰা পৰ্যন্তলৈকে আমি কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থা বিভিন্ন স্থানত আৰু সমগ্ৰ আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙত মানে উত্তপ্ত পৰিৱেশ সৃষ্টি কৰিবলৈ বাধ্য হ'ম.
Something this report from Jirikindeng, Karbi Anglong Live.